was a very good experience, particularly for us as a team who are dispersed all over the place and we don't get to come together often.
I thought it was very innovative, and because it's innovative, it actually stuck with us.
Well, we obviously had a really, really fun morning, so great exercise to do with the team. I think we've learnt a lot. You can see lots of behavioural things that are going on across the group, which has been really positive to actually sort of flush out.
It's a very good way of understanding the team dynamics.
Working under pressure with not very much clarity to begin with, and then having to figure stuff out as we go along, which kind of completely replicates this very pragmatic view of how the world works, especially here in the Middle East.
Well, it gives food for thought that in terms of how we go about planning things in an environment that is changing, and I think it brings it to the forefront to kind of look at that you have to adapt. You can't be set in your ways about thinking you know how to go about things.
Going forward, our strategic planning needs to all be all about collaboration and involving the rest of the business. So I'm hoping this is a lesson learned that we'll go through.
So I think it gives everyone a lot of very tangible feedback in a fun environment, which then hopefully we can hold on to and project into what we need to do going forward. It's very refreshing.
I think it's a very good way in bringing a team together, and particularly if you do not work as a team all the time, that you're spread out all over the place.
Really, really positive, because we could have spent the whole day in sort of just doing activities based on our sort of business as usual, but I wanted to bring something different in. I wanted to allow people to think differently and also get energised and be more creative, and I think that's really helped overall.
It forces you to think how you collaborate and how you interface with team members. I thought it was a very good exercise in that.
I would definitely recommend it. So what's interesting to have these innovative twists is you actually are having fun while doing it. You're engaging it like a game, but then it kind of gives you the foundation of something that kind of pivots it into useful material for actual team building and strategizing. So I thought that experience is what makes this quite unique, and therefore I would strongly recommend it and its application in wider team building exercises.